Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Word Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the theme options available within Omio for WordPress. So as with all our themes, you can access the theme options via Appearance, Customize in your dashboard. Which as you'll see is available here, or if you're on the front end you can simply hit the Customize link at the top here. And when you're in your theme options, you'll notice I've got a few options on the left there. Some of these are default to WordPress, some of them are our own. We'll go through each one by one just to get a general idea of how it all works. So to begin with, at the top here we've got the site identity. That's where you can pop in your own logo if you wish. You can set your title and tagline, as well as your own favicon. Below this we've got the background color, where you can specify the body background. Below that, if you want to have an image as the body background instead, you can specify that here. Next up, we've got the menus and widgets area. Now I personally prefer to use the dedicated areas here, as I find these a little cramped. However, if you want to control the widgets available in the footer as well as the menu items, you can build them here if you wish. Below this we've got the homepage settings. This is where you can specify if you want to have a static page for your homepage or just simply show your latest posts. And following this, we've got the additional CSS area, so if you're a bit of a developer and want to apply your own styles, you can do so here. And below this, we've got the site settings. Now, the first option in here is the header settings, so you can actually control your logo height. If you've specified your own logo image, you can control the height of it here. Below this, you can enable or disable the preloader. Then we've got the typography settings. Now these are a little bit more complicated. I'm actually going to go over these in another video just to make things a bit simpler, so do keep an eye out for that. And then finally we've got the 404 settings, where you can specify the image used on the 404 page. Moving on, we've got the theme colors area, so here you can choose a different highlight color as well as the body text and light text colors. Then you can control the elements used within the single post. So if I just bring up an example here, we can enable and disable things like the author, date, tags, sharing and so on. So if I am to publish this, and reload, you can see we've disabled all of those elements via the theme options. It's very, very handy indeed. And below this, we've got the archive area, archive settings for the blog. So this is where you can specify your own title for your blog, as well as enable or disable the date on each post. Then following this, we've got the portfolio archive. This is where you can choose your own title and subtitle, as well as the overall layout for your portfolio archive page. And the same for the theme. You can give yourself your own title, as well as choose a layout for your theme archive page. And then finally we've got the footer settings, where you can specify the contact details here. You can change that message however you wish, as well as specify the social icons used. And that's it. If you do have any problems, do come see me over at support. Other than that, have fun with the theme and thanks for watching.